this is Nathalie from LineDotArrow from the Netherlands, and I'm here with the Purple Jam Summer Edition. I'm going to show you the papers, and maybe you wonder, I've seen those papers before, people worked with them and posted in all those Facebook groups. Yes, that is possible that you saw that, because this is a retreat papers that I designed for Dana and Stacy from Two Sister Jam. I did the same last year. Last year we had the Summer Jam papers. And this year we have the Purple Jam Summer Edition. 25 papers. 25 pages. But if you were if you went to the retreat, because I had two, and today is actually the second, I'm videoing this on the second Friday of the retreat. So they had one last weekend, starting Thursday until Saturday, and then they have one now. And I just did a live video for them, so you could craft along on the retreat. But also if you had a retreat in a bag, and I have to explain that you can be at the retreat. Obviously you will work with people together over there. Yeah, I was planning on going there this year. I should have been there last week, but yeah, I couldn't. I'm still a little bit sad about that. But you could also order the package they created with the papers and the laces and everything together with the papers. It was optional. You could only choose the bag with goodies from Two Sister Jam, and you can add this kit with it, which means you had the kit prior to everybody else. That is how it works. It will be listed in my Etsy after this video. And there's also a free page with corsets that will be released in the Facebook group in LineDotArrow. The ladies that purchased the kit for the retreat already have that paper. Purple Jam Summer Edition. I had they gave me an assignment. Well, Dana did. It had to be with purple. And they also sent me some laces they wanted to use in the packages. So green was a request. Very, very floral. I think it worked. So yeah, I'm just going to show you the papers. 25 pages. It comes, sorry, where is it? Over here in US letter size and also in A4 size. I think it's upside down. Yeah, it is. So yeah, the challenge for me was to create something with an assignment, which makes it harder for me, I have to say. But I think I managed. And I have a few papers that didn't make the kit. Very floral. This is one of my favorite pages. Because I like this and the newspaper, and yeah. And this is one of my favorite pages too. Then there is a background paper. It is purplish green. Green is there. So check the green box. And also I like this one very, very much. Yeah. Then there is ledger with a beautiful like damask. Then we have this one. Also like that. A background paper. Or a cover page that can be used for that too. And it has, not sure if you can see, but it has newspaper on it. Then we have this one with more greens on it. More purples. And this is a backing paper. It's very light green, but it goes very well with the other papers. And then there are ephemera pieces, of course. Tab cards, or you can also turn these into little file folders, and of course little bits and bobs to go on. Tags, extremely floral as my assignment was. Then we have the frames with the beautiful ladies, and this is a misprint, so you get one with a little bow on top, but I didn't want to reprint it. So yeah, the ladies, huge tags, huge. You can make a tag book, another set of huge tags, because you never can have enough frames. Obviously this is upside down. You can turn this into a booklet, but also cut it loose. Take this out and have a frame. Oh, now I have to switch again. Frames. You can also layer these, of course, on top of these. I thought about it. Label, how you say that, book plates, some sort of buttons, more fussy cut items, small, very small pockets with postcards, and this is actually a Dutch card. Belly band, bookmarks, long tags, long journal cards, can be anything. Pockets, and these are rather big, I know, but what you can do is fold them inwards more and then cut off a little bit if you need. But you can adjust the size yourself. So I thought, go for big, so the big tags will fit in. And if you need smaller, there are a set of smaller pockets also. But if you need smaller, just fold them a little bit more inwards. You can also decide, I'm going only to do it on this side. You can do it on both sides. That works. Smaller ones, smaller cards. Also the smaller pieces to add on anything you create, really. So yeah, 25 pages of Purple Jam Summer Edition. And this will be listed in my Etsy. It will be on sale. It will be on sale with a 25% discount. And I also will put on the other kit that I created last year. And that will be with a 30% discount. If you haven't purchased those papers yet, you must definitely see those two, because those are very floral too. But yeah, this is the new 2025 kit, Purple Gem Summer Edition. It will be listed in my Etsy with a 25% discount. You don't have to do anything, just put it in your cart and it will take the right price from the original price. So, yay! That's it. That's it. That's the kit. I finally am able to show it, because this has been ready, I think, for... I started creating in January, February maybe. I think it's already done. It was done somewhere in April. Yeah. So I only needed to make the logo and put the logos on everything and resize it to US letter size. That was the final bit I needed to do, but it has been ready for a while, and I'm so happy I'm able to share it with you. If you haven't seen it already, or if you haven't got it already, because a lot of people already got it. But yeah, check out the Facebook groups, because we are going to do challenges with this paper. And the first challenge video is going to be tomorrow, actually, on Saturday, the 28th. And then I'm not going to show you the papers again, but I have a new set of challenge papers, and I'm going to, well, have a challenge for Purple Jam Summer Edition. I will tell you the hashtag in that video. And yeah, I hope you like the video. Maybe you want to leave me a thumbs up, a comment. You are more than welcome to do that, because I always like reading the comments. I can occasionally be a little bit late with responding, but I always respond on every comment. So yeah, well, thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay creative. Greetings from the Netherlands, and I hope to see you the next time. Bye bye. Bye.